How did retrograde motion prove the heliocentric model? Imagine watching planets move across the night sky and suddenly appearing to move backward. This strange pattern puzzled astronomers for centuries and was a big mystery in understanding our solar system. In the old Earth-centered model, called the geocentric model, planets were thought to orbit Earth. To explain the backward movement, astronomers added tiny circles called epicycles to the planets' paths. These epicycles made the model complicated and hard to predict planetary positions accurately. It was like trying to track a car that kept weaving in and out of lanes with many small circles. Then came Nicholas Copernicus in the 16th century. He suggested a different idea, the heliocentric model, where the sun is at the center and planets, including Earth, orbit around it. This was a big shift in thinking. But the question was, would it really explain the strange retrograde motion? Here's where the real breakthrough happened. When Earth and other planets orbit the sun at different speeds, sometimes Earth catches up to and passes a slower outer planet like Mars. From our viewpoint on Earth, it looks like Mars is moving backward for a while. This is called apparent retrograde motion. It's not that Mars is actually reversing direction, but our perspective makes it seem that way. This explanation was much simpler than the epicycles. It showed that retrograde motion was just a perspective effect caused by the relative motion of Earth and other planets around the sun. No need for complex circles or additional circles to explain it. This was a huge step forward because it made the model easier to understand and more accurate in predicting planetary positions. Later, when Johannes Kepler discovered that planets move in elliptical orbits, the heliocentric model became even more precise. Kepler's laws showed how planets actually move around the sun, confirming the model's correctness. So, the way retrograde motion was explained by the heliocentric model proved that Earth was not the universe's center. It showed that the apparent backward movement was just a trick of perspective, which only made sense if planets orbited the sun. This discovery was a major milestone in science and changed how we see our place in the cosmos forever.